Welcome to the T-SEDA guide to recording dialogue and coding in your setting. This video guide will focus on the different ways that you can carry out coding of dialogue and the tools and templates that are provided in T-SEDA to help you do this. Thinking about how you'll carry out your coding will help you to fill in box 3 of your reflective cycle template. For more information about completing the reflective cycle before you start an inquiry, have a look at the T-SEDA video guide on that subject. You can download your editable inquiry template in the resource section of this course by clicking the link below this video. To make the process of recording dialogue and subsequent coding manageable, we're going to show you some tips and techniques to do this. First, you need to decide how you're going to observe the dialogue in your setting. Three options given here are live coding, where you observe and code dialogue live as it's happening, audio, or video recording, which you can listen to or watch back later. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. Live coding is a practical option, but you could miss codes while making notes as another dialogue takes place. Audio and video recording mean you won't miss anything, but it can take time to go back over recordings to do the coding. This diagram shows all of the coding and rating tools in T-SEDA that you can use to systematically record dialogue. They are placed in relation to the number of students involved, along the whole class or large group to smaller group work dimension, and the style of dialogue, along the horizontal spectrum. We'll have an in-depth look at some of these tools. The templates for these tools are all available to download in our resources section from the link below the video. If you're unsure which tool to use, you can try the tool chooser at the end of section 5A, which will make suggestions. Template 2B is useful for live coding. You can select a few students, decide which codes you're looking for, and then make tallies when you hear these codes during short observation windows. Other coding templates available in the editable resources section of T-SEDA include a template for coding audio or video recorded dialogue and a student self-audit for evaluating group work. You can decide what's right for your setting and inquiry.